Jackson. Jackson. You want your balls?
Here, hold it.
Hey, you want a ball? Hey, look, Jackson. Look, here's the other one. He's so cute. He's so little.
Jackson,
Look, you want the ball?
Jackson, you have to get balls.
Tell him, don't do that.
Hey, Daddy.